recording. Fine. Thank you. Let us start the class. The whole class, whole 35 students, if you're there, will all be there in my talking video. Fine. Which sum I said 7, the complicated. The complicated problem. The complicated 7th problem. It's uploaded, right? So I'll open an Excel sheet, right? So please, you open the problem. I'll open it once. I'll open it once and Sharon will take a photo of it. Sharon will take a photo and put it in the Sharon. ரொம்ப சின்னதா இருக்கா?
சொல்லுங்க மேம்.
போட்டோ எடுக்கிறீங்களா?
என்ன क्वेश्चन மேம்?
இந்த क्वेश्चन ஷேர் ஆவலையா? ஓகே. Yeah, please take this photo. Guys, you please have it in your desktop. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Sharon. I'm closing this document. I'm opening an Excel. Yeah.
Okay.
Fine. People who do not have the question, it is there in the files folder. Please open your files folder. You have every question there. All the final accounts questions are uploaded. And we have long time to study. You don't think we have to finish studying by 25th. 25th, we have to practice all your sums. Yeah. In the books of Govind. Am I right? Books of Govind. Oh, I have not shared the Excel. Nobody told me about it. Yes. I always forget. Trading and profit and loss. Account for the year ending 31st. Enna அது 31st December?
31st March.
March 2000. என்ன டேட்? இவ்ளோ டிலே பண்ணி சொல்றீங்க?
2016 ma'am.
2016. டிலே வந்துருச்சுன்னா problem is only for you. Date, particulars, amount இல்லையே. amount தான். amount ஐயோ எங்க போச்சு? amount rupees. This is not needed, so I'm reducing it. This is needed. This is not needed, very less. Particulars is needed. Yeah. Okay. So my Govind sum is ready for you to start. Yeah. Let us start from Navneet. What is the first thing, Navneet?
First thing is Govind's capital, ma'am. 2,28,800.
We have to have balance sheet.
Yes, ma'am.
In the books of, do not write. I don't want anybody writing. Please listen. In the books of Govind, balance sheet on 31st March 2016 done.
Yes, ma'am.
Liabilities, amount,
Assets amount.
assets, amount, rupees, okay. Yeah, tell me, what is it first?
Govind's capital,
Yeah, capital.
it will come under liabilities, 2,28,800.
2,28,800.
800.
Okay, next. Can I have your other person telling me something about the sum? Or
Yes,
let
drawings.
Navneet continue. Or Navneet, you can continue, Navneet.
Plant and machinery is trading debit.
Yeah. See, Govind's drawing is there. Why nobody is telling me about it?
Ma'am, you want me to continue or someone else?
You can continue. Yeah, drawings. How much is
Drawings.
amount?
13,200.
13,200. All others observe. Yeah, what is the next?
Plant and machineries, 99,000. It is an asset.
Plant and machinery. How much?
99,000.
99,000. I'm keeping it in the inner column because there are so many adjustments. Yeah. Next, freehold property.
66,000, ma'am. Asset.
Any adjustments are there for freehold property? Just check. Somebody else?
Yes, ma'am. There is an adjustment.
Yes. What is the amount? 66,000.
1,000.
Yeah. What is next?
Purchases, ma'am.
Yes.
1,10,000.
Inner column or outer column? Purchase return is there?
No,
No
ma'am.
purchase return.
No, ma'am.
Return outwards is there? Return inwards is not there?
Return outwards is there, ma'am.
Outwards is there, ma'am.
So purchase return, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Lakh. 1,10,000.
10,000 and 1,100.
Returns 1,100. How much is the balance outside? Please, somebody else also give me the answer.
1,10,000. 11,100. 11,100.
Are you adding or minusing it?
Ma'am, minus ma'am, 1,08,500.
Oh.
8,900.
1,08,900.
900.
You need to subtract it, guys.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Next, salaries. Salaries.
13,200, ma'am.
Any adjustments are there? Any adjustments? No adjustments. How much is it? 13,000?
200, ma'am.
100. Yeah. What else next?
Office expenses, 2,750.
Office expenses 2,750. Where do I write that? Two office expenses.
Profit and loss debit.
Yeah, tell me the amount. 2,750.
750.
Yeah, what is next, Navneet?
Office furniture, ma'am, 5,500. Balance sheet asset.
Furniture. Huh?
Asset, no, ma'am.
No, it office furniture.
Profit and loss.
Profit and loss debit, ma'am.
5,500. There's an adjustment there?
Yes, ma'am.
Furniture? Yeah, it's an asset. Please check. Furniture?
5,500, ma'am. Inner column.
Yeah, 5,500. Next,
Discount account, ma'am.
discount debit.
P&L debit, ma'am.
How much?
1,320, ma'am.
Next,
Sundry debitors.
sundry debtors. In the
29,
column,
29,260.
9,000.
Inner column, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Done. Next,
Loan to
loan to Sri Krishna Bank. Yeah, that we can keep it for time being. Loan. We will. Where will we have to write this loan?
liabilities, ma'am. Balance sheet
Liabilities.
Fixed
No,
liability.
not liability.
Ma'am,
It's an
it is
asset.
receivables asset, ma'am.
It's an asset.
Asset, yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Loan to
loans
Sri Krishna.
debitor. Okay, fine.
Yeah, it's asset. Loan to Sri Krishna. Loan to Sri Krishna. Then we can do the adjustments later. Yeah, next. Let us fill.
Cash at bank, ma'am.
Shed bank, how much?
29,260.
260.
59,260. Yeah, done.
Bills
Next.
payable.
Assets or liability?
Liability,
Liabilities, ma'am.
5,500.
Bills payable. 5,500. Next.
Stock.
Opening stock, ma'am.
Opening stock, ma'am.
Yeah,
38.
opening stock.
Trading account. Debit side.
Yeah, so I've given one space there. Two opening stock. 38,500. Yeah. Next.
Wages, ma'am.
Any adjustments for wages?
Yes, ma'am.
How much is the wages amount? 35,200.
5,200 inner side.
Yeah. So in the column, what is the adjustment? Adjustment, okay, we'll leave it. Now we'll fill it afterwards. Yeah, sundry creditors, where will it come?
Liability, ma'am.
Any adjustments there? Any adjustments for sundry creditors? No.
No, ma'am. 44,000.
Next.
Postage and telegrams.
Telegrams.
1,540.
1,540.
540.
Yeah. What's next?
Insurance, ma'am. 1,760.
Insurance? No. 1,760. Yeah. Next.
Gas and fuel. 2,970.
Gas and fuel. To gas and fuel.
2,970.
Adjustments 2,970. Yeah. Next.
Bad debts. 660.
Column.
Yes, ma'am. Inner column.
660. Yeah. I'll keep it there. Next.
Office rent. 2,860.
2,000.
860.
Other adjustments? No. Yeah.
No.
Next.
Freight. 9,900.
9,900. Any adjustments?
No, ma'am. No adjustments.
Right.
Freight will come in P&L or in
Trading,
trading?
trading. Thank you for telling it. How much is amount? 9,900. Over?
No, ma'am. Loose tools 2,200.
Assets balance sheet.
Thank you. How much?
2,200, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Next.
Factory lighting 1,100. Trading account debits
Factory lighting. Factory lighting, how much?
1,100, ma'am.
1,100. Never say like that. It's 1,100.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Next.
Ma'am, for loose tools, we have to write it in the inner side, ma'am. We have an adjustment. Sorry.
Yeah, we'll do that. Next.
Okay.
Next.
Next is provision for doubtful debts 880.
There's a provision for doubtful debts, 880.
Yes, ma'am. Interest loan to Krishna.
Yeah.
Interest
Uh,
on loan to Sri Krishna.
There it is. What is the interest?
1,100, ma'am.
Interest
Credit
by
P&L.
interest. Yeah. Where will it come? Credit.
Credit on P&L.
Yeah. By interest. 1,100. 1,100. And outstanding is there, no? Think it's there. Yeah. That we'll get it. We'll do it. Don't worry. Next.
Cash in hand 2,640.
You said this is an inner column. Yeah. Cash in hand.
2,640.
Next.
Sales
Days.
trading account credit side 2,31,440.
Back. No. Okay. Straight away, right? No. 31,440. Yeah. Buy closing stock is there?
Yes, ma'am. 72,600.
72,600. So same way I'll write it here. 72,600. Yeah. Closing stock. An adjustment is over. 72,600. So don't bother about it. That's it. Yeah. Next. Over?
Over, ma'am. Now to
Yeah. So stock is the first thing. I've done that. Now the second adjustment. A new machine was installed during the year costing rupees 15,400, but it was not recorded in the books as no payment was made for it. Wages rupees 1,100 is paid for it. Erection of has been debited in wages account. So the adjustment is very clear. Yeah, wages. First wages. Much less
1,100.
less erection. Less erection of machinery, 1,100. So the amount is 34,100. Yeah, so I've done that. Next comes a mission of installed 15,400. Yeah, new machinery is being installed. So plant and machinery, I have written there. How much? Machinery is 99,000. Yeah. So add
15,400.
new machinery 15,400 plus
wages.
1,100. So 15,400 plus 1,100, how much is it? 16,500. Add that, put it in the inner column as 1,15,000 500. I hope everybody is following me. 1,15,500. Now we have a depreciation there. Am I right? Less depreciation for machinery. How much is it?
33, 1/3%.
1,15,500. 15,500 into 33.333 percentage. How much you get? How much you get? I told you yesterday, 38,500. Am I right? I told you yesterday in the class, 38,500. So outer column, 77,000. Have you understood, guys? Have you understood this
Yes, yes, ma'am.
so far?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, plant and machinery, what I have done, added the new machinery. Yeah, for the percentage, 33 percentage. Yeah, so I've done all the things. Everything is done, 77,000 outer column. So plant and machinery is done. Okay. Now what else is there? Next.
Furniture.
Furniture 10%.
Furniture 10%. Yeah, less depreciation,
550.
10%. 550. How much is the outer column?
4,950.
4,950. Please be clear in giving me the answer. 4,950.
950.
Yeah. So now,
Freehold property.
1 minute. Control Shift Add. 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 Yeah. See, that guy taught me something. Yeah. Now, to depreciation. Please do not forget. I forgot some things. 1. Plant and machinery. What is the amount? 38,500.
1,500.
2. Office furniture.
550.
Office furniture. 550. Now, next depreciation.
Freehold property.
Freehold. How much?
5%.
It in one go here itself.
3,300.
3,300. Then loose tools.
No.
Loose tools. 440. Yeah, I finished all my depreciations. 42,790. Now I have to finish it here. Freehold property. Less depreciation. Yeah, how much is it? 3,300 minus it from 66,000. How much is the outer column? 66 minus 3,300. Come on, guys, be fast. 62,700. Yeah. Office furniture we have done. Yeah, I've done the depreciation. Yes, so this can be, delete. Yeah. So I've done office furniture, freehold, plant and machinery. Yeah, I've done everything. Loose tools, I've not done the depreciation. Loose tools, what is the depreciation? Less depreciation. Which is the amount? 440. Are you all there in the class? 1,760. I find very quiet. I don't want you to write it down anything. Please listen. Loose tools, 1,760. Yeah. So after that, what else is there? All the depreciations are done. Yeah, plant and machinery, office furniture, freehold, loose tools. This is how we recap ourselves. What is next? Interest. Let's finish the interest. Yeah. Now, how do you do the interest? What is the amount? 44,000, right? Interest is 44,000, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. 44,000 into 10 by 100. How much you get? 1,000 into 10%. How much you get?
4,400.
4,400.
4,400. Yeah. So 4,400. So that will be here added. Outstanding you should get an outstanding amount as 4,400. So what is the balance? What will be the outstanding?
3,300.
Get 4,400. Am I right? The
Yes, ma'am.
outstanding is hidden there. Am I right? It is not shown in your sum. Yeah, it is not shown in your sum. 4,000 to get the balance of 4,400. What is your outstanding? So that is done. Yeah, now that is done. We have to have here by gross profit. So I've left the column there. Yeah, so that's done. What is next? What is next? There we'll do sundry datas. I think sundry datas is long time due. We'll finish off the bad debts here first. Bad debts. We cannot minus provisions like that. We'll additional bad debts is there. There's an add additional bad debts in the adjustment.
Ma'am, one doubt, ma'am. Will that outstanding come in balance sheet?
Yes, it will come. Wait. Additional bad debts. Additional bad debts, how much? How much is additional bad debts? 660. Yeah. Then comes your less provisions. No, add new provisions. Add new provisions. How much is the new provision? 1,430. Then comes your less old provisions. That's your 660. 880, sorry, 880. Now outer column will come as 1,870. So I've got this. It has to be bold. This is the amount of your bad debts, which I have done. Now I have to do the sundry datas. Let me do the sundry datas in the set so that it will be tally. Yeah, sundry datas, what is the amount? Kindly tell me. 29,260 is the amount. Am I right? So less additional bad debts. How much is additional bad debt? 660. What is the balance? 28,600. Now less provision at doubtful debts. DD have written, yeah, 1,430. Outer column 27,170. Hope you are able to understand what I am trying to do. Now we have to, he said something, right? Loans to Sri Krishna. That outstanding has to be added. Don't forget that outstanding, add interest accrued. 3,300. What is coming in the balance? 47,300. So I have done that. Yeah, so I've done all that. My account is getting closer. Fine. Now what did I leave? What did I leave? What is next?
Manager commission.
That we have to do it. We'll do it. Capital, less drawings, bills payable, sundry creditors. Yeah. Manager's outstanding commission has to come here. Yeah, that is coming. We'll do it. That has to come in the end, I think. So plant and machinery I've done. Freehold property. Please check, guys. Whatever I'm reading, please check. Plant and machinery is done. Freehold property is done. Office furniture is done. Sundry debtors is done. Yeah. Loans to Sri Krishna is done. Loose tools depreciation is done. Interest, cash at bank, cash in hand, closing stock. Anything else? Anything else? No. Asset side is completed. Here, sundry creditors, manager's commission is pending. We will do it. Manager's commission, because it is seen in the adjustment, he is telling me. Yeah, so we'll keep it here. Manager's commission, sundry creditors, bills payable, drawings, 13,200. Net profit has to be add net profit coming here. Then only we can do the things. Yeah, so with that, balance sheet is over. Coming to this place. coming to this place, P&L account. Yeah, now P&L account, gross profit, interest. Yeah, that's all. Depreciation is done. Bad debts is done. Depreciation is done. Bad debts is done. Depreciation is done. Bad debts. Office rent is included. All the bad debts aspect is done. Insurance is done. Anything else? Salaries. Please see the sum. Salary, office expense, postage and telegram, insurance. Bad discount is added. Yeah, discount is done. Everything is done. I think everything is done. Almost, right? Fine. So now here. Opening stock, purchase, return, wages, gas and fuel, freight, factory lighting. Yeah. So now give me the total. Give me the total. 2,31,440 plus 72,600. 3,04,040. I hope the total is correct.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
3,04,040 minus all this. Please minus all this. Please minus what you get to gross profit. Carry down. How much you get?
1 lakh
1 lakh.
8,570.
1,08,570. Correct answer. Yeah, even I got the same answer. 1,08,570. I'm bringing it down here. 1,08,570. Yeah. Jot it down. Now add here. How much you get? How much you get?
1,12,970.
Yeah, 970. Yeah. So the total has to be same. Yeah. Here manager's commission will come. Commission into managers. Now there also it will come, here also it will come. How much is commissions to managers? We have to only do the total. We can't do it right now. So 1,12,000 is the total. Okay. 1,12,970. 1,12,970 minus 42,790 minus 1,870 minus 1,320 minus 2,860 minus 1,760 minus 1,540 minus 1,320 2,750 and minus 13,200. How much you are getting? So add this alone. Add the debit alone. 13,200 to 42,970. How much you are getting? What is the total? I will do it, I think, before you people do auto sum.
Ma'am, can you just pull it down, ma'am? You can see it in the bottom. Can you just select?
Oh, I'm getting the answer like that. Oh, that's nice.
Yes, ma'am. You will get it.
Yeah, what is the answer?
68,090.
Oh, thank you. 68,090. Thank you, thank you. So 68,090. Take 68,000. You can't do get yourself. You have to do from your find out the manager's commission. Yeah. On 68,090, you minus 1,12,970. How much you're getting? 68,090.
40,392.
44,000.
44,880.
880, ma'am.
Minus that 1,12,970, you will get 44,880. Am I right? On that, you have to take 10% manager's commission. Yeah. Manager's commission 44,880 into 10%. 10 by 100. No, 10 by 110. Yeah. 44,880 into 10 divided by 110. What is the percentage? What is the amount?
4,080.
4,080. Now you find out your Now you find out your net profit. There you go. Control Shift plus. Yeah. Now you find out your net profit. Now you find out your net profit. How much you get? Please tell me. Kindly tell me, all of you. Are you getting 40,800?
Yeah, ma'am. 40,800.
So net profit is done as 40,800. That's nice. So now I'll add this 40,800 here. 40,800. Yeah, now I've tried the manager's commission. What is my manager's commission? 4,000. 4,080. Yeah, I've done that also. So now, what is my subtraction? Can you tell me? Capital, add net profit, less drawings. What is the answer? 2,56,400. 2,56,400. Yeah, I'm getting this answer. Hope you're getting it.
Yes, ma'am.
So add all this. How much you're getting? I'll wait for your answer. Please give me your answer. Liabilities, tell me the answer.
3 lakh 9,980.
Ebrima. We have left something. Sundry creditors, what is the amount, my dear? 44,000. Written 44,000 or 59,000? The question.
44,000, ma'am.
Anga mistake. I didn't change it also. Anga 59,400 varno. Sorry. There is a mistake there in the question. 59,400. Okay, in Word document, I think I've changed it, and here I've not changed it. Sundry creditors is 59,400. So what you're getting now? Otherwise, you got it as 3,09,000, right?
3,24,980.
3,25,380.
3,25,380, ma'am.
3,25,380 is your total. What about asset? Let me check. Closing stock is there. 2,640 is there. 29,260 is there. 47,300. 27,170. 72. Please check the amount. Yeah, 72,600,000. Please do the total. 77, 62, 4,950, 1,007. Yeah. Tell me the total. 3,25,000 only. I think it is 3,25,380. I didn't check. Hope you're getting it. Did you get it?
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
You got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's it. That's how the answer is. I'm stopping to record. Yeah. There was only one small mistake in that sum. How did